Okay, we've been out long enough for today. We're gonna set up base camp tonight at the whaling station and get back at it first thing tomorrow morning.
Well, you can go back to the base camp, Miss Woods, but we're staying here.
No. You wanted to leave without proper prep? We did. You wanted to be the first ones here? We are. You've claimed the find, it's yours. Now we move as a team and we're done for the day.
You heard her.
What do you want to do with these, Mr. Wayland?
Take them. We'll run for the test on the surface.
No! No! Don't touch them!
Watch out!
The doors!
The doors!
Oh, shit! Look out!
You okay?
Yeah. Slab's gotta weigh 2 tons. We'll never move it. What did you say this room was called?
Sacrificial chamber?
Russo!
Tommy, come in. Can you hear me?
Russo!
Come here, Russo.
Tommy, come in.
Is there anything you didn't tell me about this place?
Nothing. Your guess is as good as mine.
Well, whatever it is, we're not prepared for it. We're gonna round up the rest of the team and get to the surface. Let's move! What are you doing?
My job. Yours is over.
My job is over when everyone is back on the boat safely. And that gun doesn't change anything. This bearing should take us back to the entrance. I'm with a group at the whaling station.
What about Thomas? Rousseau?
We'll find them on the way up.
Max?
Stone, for hiding, cover our backs.
The heat bloom your satellite detected makes a lot more sense now, Mr. Wayland.
What do you mean?
Well, a building this sophisticated would require a major energy source. I think that's what your satellite detected. A power plant for this pyramid firing up. Preparing.
Preparing? For what?
Gentlemen,
Keep loose.
Recognize what's on their shoulders?
Yeah.
We worship these things?
According to this, we did. And the artifacts you removed from the sarcophagus seem to be their weapons.
Let's keep moving. Only another 200 yards to the entrance.
Where's Stone? Stone!
The pyramid's shifting again!